Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, today we are going to study the model questions paper which has been solved here. Many of you were asking about the translations of SAQs and VSAQs. So most of the parts of model paper I tried to translate, but some of them are left, so I will translate here. So just go through the question paper and it will be beneficial for you. So just at a glance I want to explain little bit. Let's go to see the first paper. This is the first bit. And 3 poems among 4 will be given. You have to answer any one of the poem. So here 3 poems are given and I have written the answers of these 3 poems. But no need to study the 3. If you study any 2 of these, it will be enough for getting the 6 marks in the first bit. So no need to translate, no need to explain, only you have to write the 2 lines of the poems. So as Tala al-Badru alayna, the line is given here, Tala al-Badru alayna min saniyati al-wada'i wajaba shukru alayna ma da'a lillahi da'i. فضل الأم كل ما في الكون عندي لا يفي أمي الجزاء إن أمي هيأت لي كل أسباب الهنا. Then الله معي, Allah is with me. الله في قلبي وفي ضميري, الله في حسي وفي شعوري, الله في جهدي وفي سروري, الله في صمتي وفي تعبيري. So first bit is completed here. You have to memorize and you have to write in your notebook unless until become perfect. Then essay questions from poetry section. Here also Tala al-Badru alayna Allahu ma'i fadlul So you have to write this bit in English only, or if you know Urdu, whatever the language you know, you can write among anyone. Whatever the material is given to you by me, the book is given to you. I mentioned the page number from that book only. So you can refer the page number in your book and you can learn the summary of these. And at last of the pages, I have given also the summary, so you can read from there also. So this bit is also you have to write in English. Then after third bit, which is essay questions from prose, and here the Suratul Fatiha, Suratul Ikhlas, Telangana Az-Zahabiyya, Shamailun Nabi. So 3 will be asked. So one more I have mentioned here, and here the page number also is given. So if you read one more, it will be safe side. but in the examinations you will be given only 3. So among 3 you have to write 1 and you will get 6 marks, and this bit also you have to write in English or whatever the language you know. Then after bit number 4, and many of you were asking the translations of the questions, so that is why I have translated here. The answer any 4 of the following in Arabic. So there will be 10 questions and you have to answer 4, and each questions carries 2 marks, so you will get 8 marks. Questions will come in the Arabic. There will be no translations. Remember, keep in your mind. So you have to learn here only before going to the examination hall. So here the first one is Kam ayatan nuzilat fi ghar Hira. Like, how many verses were revealed in cave of Hira? Jawab, khamsu ayatin nuzilat fi ghar Hira. 5 verses were revealed in cave of Hira. Then after, ila ayna safara Rasulullah lit-tijarati. So to where the Prophet of Allah traveled for trade business. Jawab, safara Rasulullah ila Sham lit-tijarati. The Prophet of Allah traveled to Syria for trade business. Question number 3 is Man kataba risalatan ila Malika Saba. Who wrote a letter to Queen Sheba? Al-Jawab, Sulaiman alayhi salam kataba risalatan ila Malika Saba. Prophet Sulaiman wrote a letter to Queen Sheba. Number 4, Ayyu ta'irin kana qasidan li Sayyidina Sulaiman alayhi salam. Which bird was heading for Sulaiman? Kana al-hudhud qasidan li Sayyidina Sulaiman alayhi salam. Translation is given here. Ma kana ismu walidi Khadijatil Kubra radiyallahu ta'ala anha. What was the name of Khadija's father? Kana ismu walidi Khadijatil Kubra radiyallahu anha Khuwailid. The name of Khalid's father was Khuwailid. Man nazala fi ghari Hira. Who descended to cave of Hira? Nazala Jibreel alayhi salam fi ghari Hira. Mata wulida Umar bin Abdul Aziz. When was born bin Abdul Aziz? Umar bin Abdul Aziz. Wulida Umar bin Abdul Aziz 61 lil Hijra. Sanata 61 lil Hijra. So he was born in the 61 Hijra. Umar bin Abdul Aziz was born in the year 61 of Hijra. Then after, Mata raja'a Khalidun ila baytihi. When did Khalid return back to his home? Raja'a Khalidun ila baytihi ba'da al-madrasa. Khalid returned to his home after the school. Man daqqa jarsul bab. Who did ring the doorbell? Khalidun daqqa jarsul bab. Khalid rang the doorbell. Maza qala Umar bin Abdul Aziz li banatihi. What did Umar bin Abdul Aziz say to his daughters? Qala Umar bin Abdul Aziz li banatihi innal aisha aishul akhirati. Umar bin Abdul Aziz said to his daughters, the real life is in the hereafter. Ma kana ismu Abi Sulaiman alayhi salam. What was the name of Sulaiman's father? Kana Dawood alayhi salam ismu Abi Sulaiman alayhi salam. Sulaiman's father's name is Dawood alayhi salam. Hal amanat Bilqis ma'a Sulaiman alayhi salam. Did Bilqis become faithful with Sulaiman? Naam. Amanat Bilqis ma'a Sulaiman alayhi salam. So 10 questions will be asked. You have to answer 4, and I have given here 2 extra questions. So if you have time, you can study that one also. Then bit number 5th is nothing but you have to write the reference. هذا الشعر أخذ من نشيدتي الله معي. That means this line, Allahu fi qalbi wa fi zamiri, or Talal Bajru alayna, or Ma fil kawni indi, Ya kitabi anta indi, Allahu fi judi wa fi sururi. These lines are given here. You are being asked here from which poem these lines are taken. So you have to say, these lines are taken from so and so poem. So if you are not able to memorize this one, Hada ash-shi'ru khidha min nashidati, it is the lengthy sentence, then what you have to do, just go on the top and write Hadhihi al-abiyat, then min, then names of the poem. Hadhihi al-abiyatu min Allahu ma'i, Hadhihi al-abiyatu min Tala al-Bajru alayna, Hadhihi al-abiyatu min al-kitab, or whatever the poem's lines are given, you have to mention the poem's name. Then after bit number 6, it is also reference which are given from the prose section, and prose section is consist on surahs and lessons. So here, Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'een, for example, the verse of holy chapter Surah Al-Fatiha is given here. So hadhihi al-ayatu ukhizat min surah Al-Fatiha. If you are not able to memorize and write the lengthy sentence, then what you have to do, just write from here, copy. Hadhihi as-sutur min, Hadhihi as-sutur min Surah Al-Fatiha. Hadhihi as-sutur min Telangana az-Zahabiyya. Hadhihi as-sutur min al-Hiwar. So Hadhihi as-sutur min, then whatever the chapter's name, you have to mention that chapter. Like here, Hadhihi al-ayatu ukhizat min. It is lengthy sentence, you are not able to write, suppose, then you have to say, go on the top and Hadhihi sutur min Surah Al-Fatiha, Hadhihi sutur min Shamailun Nabi, Hadhihi sutur min Al-Hiwar, Telangana az-Zahabiyya, and Surah Al-Kawthar, like this. Then after bit number 7, short question and answer from poetry section. Hal Allahu fil juhudi was surur? Jawab, yes. Naam, Allahu fil juhudi was surur. Is Allah in effort and happiness? Yes, Allah is in effort and happiness. Then man huwa al-badru fi hadhihi al-unshuda? Who is in the full moon in this poem? An-Nabi huwa al-badru fi hadhihi al-unshuda. The Prophet is full moon in this poem. Man tad'u ila Allahi, al-ummu tad'u ila Allahi. Translations are given here. Who is praying to Allah? The mother is praying to Allah. Man is samiru bil layl, as-samiru bil layli kitabun. Who is storyteller at night? The storyteller at night is book. Hal wajaba shukru, when you see hal in the beginning of the questions, answer will be naam, yes. Then after bit number 8, SAQs from prose section. And prose section means questions will be given from the surahs and as well as Shamailun Nabi, Al-Hiwar and Telangana az-Zahabiyya. So this is the question and this is the translations. So, Kam ayatan fi suratil Ikhlas? How many verses are there in Ikhlas surah? Arba'u ayatin fi suratil Ikhlas. There are 4 verses in Surah Ikhlas. Kayfa kana ihtimamur Rasul bi nadafati badanihi? How did the Prophet take care of his body cleanliness? Kana ihtimamur Rasul bi nadafati badanihi ihtamaman kabira. So the Prophet took utmost care of his body cleanliness. Ma ismu abika? What is your father's name? Ismu abi Abdullah al-Muhtaram. Ma hiya asimatu vilayati Telangana? What is the capital of Telangana state? Madinatu Hyderabad asimatu vilayati Telangana. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. Then after bit number 9, bit number 9. So in bit number 9, it should be VSQs from poetry section. I think wrongly printed here. So just have a look in the question paper. Bit number 9. Eight, 9. So it should be bit number 10. It is wrongly given 9. It should be 10. And in bit number 10, remember, VSQs will be given from the surahs and lessons as well. So, man huwa fil khusran, who are in loss. Al-Jawab al-Insan, human beings. Hal a'atallahu Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam min kamalati dunya wal akhirah. Hal, answer will be Naam. Akana, A is equal to Hal, answer will be Naam. Kaifa kana zihakun Nabi, how the Prophet, peace be upon him, used to laugh, tabassuman, just smiling. Man huwa al-qareebu min Allah, who is near to Allah. As-Sakhi, generous people. Man huwa as-Samad, who is needless. Allah. Man huwa Malik Yawmiddin, who is the master of day of judgment. Allah. Kam ayatan fi suratil Fatiha, how many verses are there in Surah Fatiha? Sab'u Jumalin, ya Sab'u Ayatin, 7 verses. Fi ayyi wazifatin anta, in which department are you? Fi wazifati tadris, in educational department. Mata unshiyat vilayat Telangana, when the Telangana state was formed. Am 2014, in the year 2014. Ayyu lughatun rasmiyatun fi Telangana, which language is a official language in Telangana state? Telugu. So here it will be in the bit number 10. Wrongly 9 is given here. So remember this one, keep in your mind. And one word answer is here. And only 5 will be asked. And I have given some more here for practice. This one, bit number 10, wrongly printed here. It should be in bit number 9. So VSQs from poetry section will be given in bit number 9. So it will be in the bit number 9. Here also 5 questions will be asked, but some more I have given here. Man sharraf al-Madinata, who honored to Medina? An-Nabi, the Prophet. Man taqabbala ad-du'a, who accepts the prayer? Allah. Man tamannat, who wished well? Al-Um, the mother. Hal, Naam. Ayusha in zillun zailun. So, which thing is a declining shade? Al-Mal, the wealth. So, this question is from the Sharrun wa Khairun, wise and virtue, which is not included in this examination. So, skip this one, no need to study this one. Man fil juhdi was surur, who is in effort and happiness? Allah. Manil mab'uth fi hadil unshuda, who has been sent in this poem? An-Nabi, the Prophet. Man tala'a min saniyat al-wada', who arose from the mountains of farewell? An-Nabi. Then after, the bit number 11. And bit number 11 is nothing but passages, and altogether 6 passages you have, and already I have sent one, namely Suratul Fatiha, which is given in the model paper this year, and here another one which is from Shamailun Nabi. So it is very difficult to read for you and understand. So what you have to do, just you read the questions. Ma huwa asasul iman? What is the base of faith? So Tazimun Nabi wal muhabbat lahu asasul iman. So asasul iman here in the questions, asasul iman was mentioned. So whatever the last word, you have to find out in the above passage. So that will be the answer. Everywhere you have to find like this. Ma hiya alamatu muhabbatihi? Mata yaktamilul iman? When iman is completed, what is the indications of his love? Hal al-ittiba'u lazimun li izhari al-muhabbati lahu? So Naam. Maza qala Rasulullah li Sayyidina Umar? What the Prophet said to Sayyidina Umar. Then after these are the 5 questions, then 5 answers also mentioned here. So you can, or otherwise if you are not able to memorize these answers, just whatever the last word, asasul iman, like, just find out asasul iman in the passage. Alamatu muhabbatihi, find out the alamati muhabbatihi. Mata yaktamilul iman. So mata is a question tag, yaktamilul iman, you have to find out last word in the passage. If you see hal, answer will be naam. Then copy the all questions here. So this is the bit number 11. Then after bit number 12, fill in the blanks by using prepositions. And these are the prepositions. You should know the meaning. So al-waladu fil bayti. It is the answer, fil bayti. The boy is in the house. Zahaba Ahmad ila al-masjid. Ila. This is the answer. Zahaba went. Ila means to. Ahmad went to the mosque. Al-hasub, the computer. Li, for. Al-mudir, manager or principal. The computer is for the principal or belongs to principal. Ar-rajulu fil bayti. Al-bayt is missed here. This is the answer, al-bayt. Otherwise, if al-bayt here, then 5 fi will be here. So ar-rajulu fil bayt, the man is in the house, the boy is in the house. Kharaja went out, at-talib, the student, min. Answer is min. Al-fasl, classroom. The student went out from the classroom. Then al-kitab dash al-maktab. Maktab has 2 meaning. Al-maktab, table, and sometime it will be used for office also. So al-kitabu ala. Ala means on. The book is on the table. So if you memorize the meanings and translations also, it will be helpful at the time of filling these blanks. Then after al-muzakkar al-muannas. Remember, al-muzakkar al-muannas. Male and female. What are the indications of feminine? 3, you know. Round ta, alif hamza, and ya kharizabar ya. So Sa'idun al-muzakkar, masculine. Majidun al-muzakkar. Tabibatun al-muannas, lady doctor. Muhandisatun, lady engineer, al-muannas. Talibun, student, al-muzakkar. Masahatun, eraser, al-muannas. Kharitatun, map, al-muannas. Tiflun, child, al-muzakkar. And Kurrasatun, notebook, al-muannas. Madrasatun or mudarrisatun, teacher. Madrasatun, school, al-muannas. Babun, door, al-muzakkar. Husna, al-muannas. So whatever the questions are given. Everywhere answers also mentioned here in the bracket. Here also some words. Salma al-Muannas, Wazir al-Muzakkar, Mumarrizatun al-Muannas, Mudarrisun al-Muzakkar, Sayyaratun al-Muannas. Then after bit number 13, and here answer any two of the following in Arabic with examples. Then after A, B, C, D, 4 options will be given. You have to write any two, and each one carries 4 marks. So bit number 13 is consist on 8 marks. Uktub adawatil istifham al amsilatil arabiyya. I have given the translation here, but in the examination this translation would not be given. So you should know the translation here. What is the meaning of adawatil istifham? So write about interrogative with Arabic examples. Hal, ma, man, aina, kaifa, mata, kam, maza, limaza, ayyu, liman. The meanings also are given here, and you have to use all these words in the sentence. So al-amsilatul arabiyyah, examples. Man anta, man is here, who are you? Kaifa haluka, how are you? Aina sayyaratuka, where is your car? Ma haza, what is this? If you are feeling difficulty to write all these, just you go to the bit number 4, bit number 7, 8, 9, 10, and you can copy the questions in this bit here, and you will get the inshallah full marks. Then after uktub baza amsil arabiya li asma'il muzakkar. So if you don't know the meaning, I have written the meaning also here. Just remember al-muzakkar in the bit number 13. Al-muzakkar, when you see al-muzakkar, that means masculine gender. You have to write some masculine gender's name. So I have given here Hamidun, Mauzun, Mudarrisun, Mudirun, Talibun, Tuffahun, Apple, Rajulun, man, Waladun, boy, Faslun, Kilas, Babun, door. So if you are not able to write, then you should refer the bit number 14 and 15. So masculine genders you can pick up from bit number 14 and 15. Then after question number 14, it is nothing but convert nakira into marifa and marifa into nakira. That means convert common into proper and proper into common. If the word is given without alif lam, just copy that one. First copy the questions. Then if the question like qalamun is given without alif, you have to prefix alif lam. Qalamun, answer is al-qalam. Okay. Next one is al-mudarrisu. So if you see the question is with alif lam, then just remove the alif lam or write down like this, mudarrisun. At-tabibu, tabibun is the answer. Al-baytu, baytun is the answer. Khadimun does not have alif lam. You have to prefix the alif lam. Write down khadimun, then after alif lam, al-khadimu. So whatever the word has alif lam, just by removing alif lam, you have to write the same word. And whatever the word does not have alif lam, you have to prefix the alif lam to that word. So you will get 8 marks for this. Very easy, this one. Then after, you have to make meaningful sentence by using the words which are given here. So what are the words? Kitabun, mudirun, tabibun, baytun, khadimun, darsun, or darasa. So I have used these words which are given in the model paper or in the question paper. Al-Kitabu lil-Mudir, the book is for the manager, for the principal. Qalamul Mudarrisi ghaliyun, principal's pen is costly. Baytul Tabibi qareebun, doctor's house is near. Baytul Mudiri ba'idun, principal's house is far. Al-Khadimu fil masjidi, the servant is in the mosque. Darasa talibun ad-darsa, the student learned the lesson. But it will be bit difficult task for you. So as I mentioned earlier, just whatever the words are given here, just you prefix the haza. Like you have to write haza kitabun, haza mudirun, haza tabibun, haza baytun, haza khadimun, haza darsun. So you have to do 6, and you are given here almost 12. So one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have to do only 6 and you will get 6 marks. So this one also very easy. So don't try this one. If you are able to do this one, no problem. Otherwise, just you prefix haza, haza, haza everywhere. Inshallah, full marks you will be given. Then after the last one, this is the translations bit. English sentences will be given. You have to translate in Arabic. So only 5 will be asked. There will be no any choice for 5 marks. So whatever the important, I thought I have given some more here. So if you do all these, inshallah it will be beneficial for you at the time of writing the exam. Al-Kitabu ala al-Tawilati, Al-Mudiru fil Maktabi, Al-Tairu ala al-Shajari, Al-Qalamu fil Jaybi, Al-Zahru ala al-Shajari, Hamidun Muhandisun, Fatimatu Mudarrisatun, Al-Muhandisuna Mahiruna, Hadha Qalamun Jadidun, Ulaika Awladun, Hadha Sa'idun, Zalika Kitabun. So try to do all these, and you don't have much time. I know most of them will be sleeping right now because time is about 3 o'clock, I think. So if you have time, because of your wishes, suddenly I uploaded this video. So inshallah, I hope you will write the exam very well and you will be succeeded inshallah tabarak wa ta'ala. And best of luck for the examinations. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.